Hi viewers, in this video I have successfully converted Wagan Tech Power Dome lead acid battery into lithium ion battery. Before installing back and test this converted battery, let's see how to convert it. It's the defective sealed lead acid battery which I took from Wagan Tech Power Dome. To convert it into lithium ion battery, I have to open it and remove all the material inside and clean the plastic housing well. Battery case is ready to use now. I am going to use these prepared 18,650 cells in 3 series and 21 parallel configuration for this battery. Before do this, let's see how I prepare these cells for this battery. First of all, need to full charge each cell. For this I am using different types of chargers. They can charge and discharge each cell, also measure and show the internal resistance of each cell. And here you can see my multi-chemistry batteries charge and discharge station. And here are remaining batteries waiting for recharge. After charge I leave them unused for a few days to find out if any cell self-discharge. If found any cell self-discharge, it's must remove. It's time to measure the capacity of each cell. For this I am using ZB2L3 battery capacity tester. Please make sure of any loose connection to avoid false readings. I select cutoff voltage 3 volt DC. Once complete, discharging display start flashing and shows up the capacity. Before removing of any cell, must write down or mark the label of rated capacity on each cell. It's time to measure the internal impedance and voltage of each individual cell and mention on them. Now all the cells tested and ready for install in battery case. Total cells for this battery pack are 21 per string, total or 63 for 3 strings. The total capacity of this battery pack will be 12.6 volt and approximate 45 Ah. In my next video I will share how to assemble and spot weld this battery pack. Please follow me and share this video so this informative video can reach out to many other viewers. Thanks for watching.